today. Number was kapili also. Pro.
I say good morning. Are you ready? Okay, children. We will start.
मेमोरी गोल्ड
Marigold,
मेमोरी गोल्ड का मेमोरी गोल्ड
page number 32.
मेमोरी गोल्ड लगे लग में
Open.
32. That 32 page number.
Yeah.
Sir निकाल लिए.
Okay. See.
Sir निकाल लिए.
Okay. What does little monkey want to be? See. Yeah. What does little monkey want to be? See. What will be your answer? The little monkey wants to be what? Big and strong. That is your answer. The little monkey wants to be like a giraffe. He wants to be like an elephant, and sometimes he wants to be like a zebra. Means overall you can say, you may answer like this. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. Two. Who hears him? Who hears him? Look at your answer. What will be your answer, beta? Who are wise woman. A wise woman hears him. I want to repeat it. What does little monkey want to be? The little monkey wants to be big and strong. Who hears him? A wise woman hears him. Okay? You will understand your answers. I gave you all answers. As a homework. Okay? See. Look at the page number 32. How does, see, okay, see, okay, see. See. What is your question? How does an elephant have a bath? Just try to know about it. An elephant has a bath, a bath what? With the help of his trunk. See, an elephant has a bath with the help of his trunk. Okay? An elephant fills the water with his tongue and blows it all over his body. Okay? So you just try to think about this answer. An elephant has a bath with the help of his tongue. Okay? See, number 4. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? See. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? Yeah. You just think about it. What will the answer of it? Try to find out your answer. Your answer will come in yes and no. See. Just think about the question. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? Just think about your answer. What will be the answer of it? I have to rub it. Yes, that one, yes. See. Yeah. The zebra has stripes. So what you can say? Zebra has stripes all over his body. Yeah. If you want, you can use. Zebra has stripes all over his body. And if you want to use, uh, yes, it has stripes all over his body. See, here. Yes, it has stripes all over his body. Stripes means long, narrow lines. Okay, I explained. So see, does the zebra have spots or stripes? Yes, the zebra has stripes all over his body. Okay, so see, no problem is there. You just try to understand. Okay, now we have to see Next question. See. Why does little monkey want to be himself again? Okay. See. Here. The question. It will be now. Number 5. See. Just start. The little monkey wants to be himself again because he sees himself like a monster. You can say the little monkey wants to be himself again because he sees himself dreadful, awful, like a monster. Uh, you may answer like this. The little monkey wants to be himself again because he sees himself like a monster, like a giant. Your video. Okay. Hello. 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 No, sir. Hello. Yes, I'm getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just sec. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, completed.
Thank you. Let's share. There are many kinds of people. They all look different. There are many kinds of people and they all look different. Okay. So one face has been drawn for you and complete the rest of faces. Okay. Look at the page number 33. Let's say you just try to make beta yes. Eyes, nose, mouth. Some look shy. Some look shy. Some look happy. Some look angry. Some look sad. So they are looking differently. They are looking different. Let's say, so we are different from us. Our nose, eyes, face, yeah. You get differences among them. Okay? So children, you just try to follow, let's say, and complete the rest of faces. Just try to complete the rest of faces. One face has been given for you, one has been done for you as an example, and the rest of faces you just try to follow. Nose, eyes, okay? Mouth. Just try to make. So they are looking shy, they are looking happy, and some of them they are looking angry. Some look sad. Okay? So you try to follow. Let's act here. Let's act. What you have to do? Act out the story and play the parts of monkey, play the parts of wise women, and you have to play the part of mother. So you have to play role. Okay? So what would you do if you had a magic wand? So is there any problem with our let's act out a story. Now you have to become monkey here. Then woman, then mother. See, so you have to put a statement of monkey. Monkey as I look so simple. Okay? And I want to be big. I want to be strong. Here you can see. You can put woman. A wise woman hears it. I will give you a magic stick, magic wand, and it will help you in fulfilling all your desire. Okay? See here, woman. Then mother. Oh, I told you yes. You are good. You look good. You look wonderful. Don't be others. Okay? Yes. Some other statement. So you just try to follow it, yes. With the help of book. Monkey, woman, and mother. Okay? Yes. Now here. What would you do if you had a magic wand? So yesterday I gave you. I would turn it round and round and turn a book into a. Just try to know your answer. I would turn a book into a computer. I would like to turn a book into a laptop. I would like to turn a book into a burger. I would turn a dog into a cat. Either you may answer puppy. I would turn a pencil into a pen. A sharpener, eraser, yeah. I would turn you into a Superman, a puppet, you can say, a robot. Okay? So, thank you. Yeah. So you just try to follow. Let's act out the story and you just try to play the parts of monkey, woman, mother. Okay, children? Yeah. See the page number 34. 34. Say aloud. Say aloud. Say aloud. Here. Okay. strong, strong, stitch, stitch, sting, sting, steeps, steeps, school, school, skin, skin, scold, scold, scruffy, scruffy, spot, spot, speed, speed, spin, spin, spell, spell, zebra, zebra, zoom, zoom, jeep, jeep, Jew, Jew, giraffe, giraffe, jump, jump, joy, joy, jelly, jelly, gum, gum, girl, girl, grow, grow, give, give. Okay? So you have to say aloud, you have to learn each word. Okay. Now, here, let's find monkeys are fun to watch. Can you find the word monkey 5 times? In the box. Look at the page number 34. Let's find. You have to find the word monkey 5 times in the box. See the page number 34. Monkeys. You have to search out the word monkey 5 times in the box. Okay, just try to do. Now write about your favorite animal or bird by completing these sentences. My favorite animal or bird is my favorite bird or animal is dog. My favorite animal, dog. I like it because it is a very faithful animal. Dog is a very faithful animal. It is a very friendly. I don't like it because it barks at me. Okay? I think it looks like a bear. It is just look like a bear. Okay. Now, thank you so much. So 34, bird building. Okay. You can do match the animals to its group. A bee, a swarm of bees. Cow, a herd of cows. Lion, a pride of lions. Bird, a flock of birds. So you can do. Okay. Mice, the